Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Super Bowl Sunday and I have put together this video. It's a bunch of pieces and clips over the past couple of months with the backyard transformation. We are trying to install just a kind of a temporary fire pit just to enjoy the backyard a little bit more. And the clips I've shown here are, like I said, over the past couple of months, and it's just working on it here and there because it has been so rainy and not very good weather to work in through the winter time. I wanted this to be a quick, fairly inexpensive project because this backyard's actually perfect for like a pool and outdoor fireplace. So I didn't want anything too permanent or too expensive in case that was the route we went later on. And this is just a, like I said, an easy, fast way to, you know, have s'mores or campfires and cold, you know, the cold evenings. So I've transplanted some trees from the front to the back and moved some things around before they got too big and out of control. And I put the landscape border around the area where the fire pit's going to be to keep the Bermuda from creeping into the area where the Adirondack chairs and the pea gravel is. And we actually were going to try the pea gravel in the bags from Lowe's. But once we tried a couple of bags out, we decided it's not really the right color, so I'm going to have to go to like a natural stone from the supplier in our area and just buy it in bulk and put it in a wheelbarrow and take it to the back and put it down there. So you'll see that I went ahead and trimmed all the Bermuda that we spray with Roundup. We trimmed it to the ground, and we're going to plant some boxwoods, and obviously pine straw will be the final touch once everything's complete. and you'll see that probably in later videos. We will be putting in a fence this year if everything goes according to plan. So for right now, I kind of kept inside of our property lines just because I don't know where the fence is actually going to end up being. But once the fence is installed, then I can extend the new flower beds around like the privacy trees and stuff over to the fence. And I'll, reshape them and fix them once that fence is installed. Stay tuned for more videos. Spring is right around the corner, so we will be back to real mowing before we know it. And if you would, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and share with all your friends, because I want to get to 1,000 subscribers so that we can do a giveaway. Once again, thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.